Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a controlled copy and reproducing the error so you can test changes safely. Once done, enable trust access to the VBA project and set the IDE to break on all errors. This captures where execution fails. Next, reproduce the issue with the fewest steps possible and note the exact error message and offending line number. This gives you a focused starting point and prevents chasing unrelated problems as you begin debugging. Now you step through the code with F8, watching the locals and immediate windows to see values change. This tells you why a statement fails. Make sure variables have expected types, convert variants explicitly, guard against null and empty string, and check array lower/upper bounds to avoid subscript errors. Also, confirm external references and that objects are created before use. If a line throws, inspect preceding logic and add short, targeted checks rather than broad rewrites. Finally, implement focused fixes. Add typecasts, bounds checks, and verify objects set before use, then retest the full workflow end-to-end. Once passing, add minimal error handlers and informative logging so you can catch regressions later. Make sure handlers rethrow unexpected errors. If the problem persists, isolate the failing module in the copy and reduce to a minimal reproducible snippet, then ask for help with that code. One key tip: if behavior differs, compare reference libraries and Excel versions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.